What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back in another video, man. Today I had to hit y'all with this video, something new. Had to hit y'all with a how-to tutorial on how to, display your sneakers in your sneaker room. It's gonna be a quick video. I got 4 dope ways on how I'm gonna do it, and 2 of the ways I already got, and 2 of the ways are gonna be on the way. So when I move my sneaker room to my top floor, everything's gonna look different. Everything will look much better. And yeah, I want to show y'all 4 ways on how to, display your sneakers, So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe. We're in that grind to 15,000 subscribers, man. Help me get there. Like the video, comment on the video, and share the video to your friends on social media. And yeah, we're gonna get there very, very fast. That's the goal, 15,000 subscribers. And yeah, with all that being said, let's get right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, so I gotta take y'all off for the first 2 ways, because the other 2 ways are not currently available. Let me switch this little lighting around. All right, here we have it. These are the first 2 ways on how I display my sneakers. One is like the OG look. Some people love this way, just the boxes showing on the shelves. You can get these shelves on Amazon. I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. It's just I think it's a 5 layer shelf where you can just put all your shoe boxes depending on how many shoes you got. As you see, I already got 2 of those filled up, and I'm almost near having to get another one. If not, I'm having to get my drop fronts. We're gonna get into that in a second. But yeah, the shelves is very dope. Somebody go into your room, they be like, damn, you got a lot of shoes. And it's better than just having them in the closet all just boxed up on top of each other. You can kind of have them. I know it's kind of messy right now, but you kind of get where I'm coming from. Just a dope way to display your sneakers. And you don't got to have them in the box. You can actually have them out of the box, going from left to right, your shoes. And yeah, it'd be a dope way to display them, man. So here go the first way, the shelves with the OG or the boxes displaying like you get when you're in the back of the stock room, a Foot Locker or Champ Sports, man. This is how it looks, so there you go. All right, the second way is right here. You already know where I'm going to. The drop front containers, man, my favorite. I'm glad that I figured out about drop front containers. I figured them out a while back. I was watching Kais. He had some a long time ago, and I kind of adapted to it, and now like everybody's using drop fronts. But I started off with 6, and now I have about 30 or 20, I don't know. But just another dope way to display your sneaks, man. And it's very easy to see what shoes you want to wear. You know what I'm saying? Say you want the Concords. You just go to Concords and you pull them out, man. And you already know where they at. You ain't gotta like look through the boxes like, oh, which one is it? Because 11's boxes kind of look alike. All the Jordan 1 boxes look alike. So this is probably the best way to know where your shoes are and the best way to display them. You know what I'm saying? So if I want to find the wing ones, I will have to look through every color code and see which ones that are the wing ones. But as you see right here, got the wing ones right here. Very, very dope, man. There you have it. So this is my favorite way on how to display your sneakers, and a favorite way to manage them and see what shoes you want to wear with your outfit. So first way is the shelf. Second way is the drop front containers. And as you can see, I need more drop fronts because I have no more room for shoes on this one or this one, and I still got shoes over here, still got shoes over here, and yeah, so I need some more drop front containers. All right, yeah, that is the second way. The third way is the lack shelves. You might see them on a lot of bigger YouTubers like Seth Fowler. I know he has them. It's like, I'm gonna put a screenshot where they have like 5 layers of shoes, and he has a pair of shoes on each layer, and it's just a skinny like little shelf where it's 5 layers, and you put your sneakers on, and it'd be a dope way to show your sneakers. And I went to go to IKEA to get one, but I did some price match, and it's cheaper for me to get on Amazon rather than in IKEA. And just know that those are coming to the sneaker room very, very soon. I can't wait. They dope, and I'm glad I found them. I was looking for them for like, I ain't gonna lie, like 6 months, but I wasn't really searching, but I was actually like looking towards getting them, and I know where they are now, but it's cheaper to get them on Amazon. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'll put a picture up right here of the lack shelves. Y'all need to get y'all some of those. Those are very, very dope, I promise y'all. Okay, the last way is SoleCaseDisplay. Shouts out to my man's Unbreakable Kicks. He led me to this sneaker brand. I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the comment section below, or description box below, so y'all can go get y'all some. So it's pretty much like one of these, but it's like nothing but glass, and it's like where you put most of your exclusive kicks, I would say. So I would put, I don't even got nothing exclusive, but if I had to put something in there, I'll probably put the Breads in there. You know what I'm saying? Iconic shoe, or the Concords, you know what I'm saying, or the Space Jams, or maybe even a pair of Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? So those are very dope. I'm gonna leave a screenshot and I'm gonna link their Instagram in the comment section below. So it's a dope way if you got like a pair, like a 1 of 10, like a Ben 13, some of the, or like a Yeezy Plaid, like some of those exclusive kicks. You wanna show off your shoe. You don't wanna have a lot of those, but you wanna have those for like some of your limited exclusive kicks, you feel me? So I'm gonna leave their link in the description box below so I can go check it out. But that is the 4th way on how to display your shoes. A very, very dope way. All right, that is it for the 4 ways on how to display your sneakers. There's probably more ways that I'm not aware of. I know it's one where you can put the boxes on the wall. If y'all want to see a tutorial on how to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do that for y'all, but that's kind of like some high school stuff. If you do it still, I'm not hating, but that's something I did back in high school, put my boxes on the wall. So it's something that I'm not doing right now in my sneaker room, but that's another way. Yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed, hope y'all learned something. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.